Has your short ever reached 500 or even 10,000 views and then just stopped? The thing is, even if you have great watch time, a high CTR, and strong engagement, YouTube sometimes puts a pause on promoting your video. But why does this happen? YouTube's algorithm is testing your video. Initially, shorts are shown to a small, varied audience. If viewers engage with it actively, YouTube pushes it further. YouTube is finding your audience. For new channels, 3 to 6 months old, YouTube still doesn't fully understand who your ideal audience is. If the algorithm isn't sure it selected the right audience for your content, it might pause further distribution of your video. Competition. Every short competes for a spot in the YouTube Shorts feed. When newer or more engaging videos appear, older shorts may lose visibility, even if their performance metrics are good. Drop in engagement. A strong start is very important for continued promotion, but if likes, comments, or repeat views start to drop, YouTube may stop recommending your shorts. 2 key success metrics. Viewed versus swiped away. This metric shows how many viewers watched your short versus how many swiped away after a few seconds. If your short holds more than 70% retention in the first few days, it's a strong sign that the video could go viral. Audience retention. Keeping viewers engaged throughout the video is critical for success. A steep drop-off in retention signals to YouTube that the content isn't interesting enough, and YouTube will stop recommending it. Here are some simple tips to improve your shorts performance. Optimize your hook. The first 5 seconds are key to grabbing your audience's attention. Create strong, catchy titles. Titles that grab attention will encourage viewers to click and watch your shorts. Keep retention high, avoid boring moments, cut out unnecessary parts, and maintain fast pacing to hold attention. Don't stop here. Like and subscribe to keep improving your contents.